Looking to maximize your affiliate marketing profits? Look no further. In this video, I'll show one of the top high-ticket affiliate programs that are guaranteed to skyrocket your earnings. Whether you're an experienced affiliate marketer or just starting out, these programs will help you earn big commissions and take your income to new heights. Watch now and start earning those high-ticket commissions today. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored for your region. Let's dive right in. The allure of high-paying affiliate programs lies in the potential for significant earnings. With larger commission rates and higher price offerings, marketers have the opportunity to earn substantial income with just a few successful referrals. Here, one of the top high-ticket affiliate programs, and in next videos I will list more. Live Chat Affiliate Program. This program is for communication products. It has 3 products you can do per month. 1. Live Chat. There is a huge demand for live chat apps. LiveChat is a powerful messaging platform for customer support and online sales. Integrates with the most popular e-commerce platforms and expands their functionalities at the same time. 2. Chatbot. An all-in-one, AI-fueled platform for customer service automation. Improves customer interactions by offering an AI-driven bot that provides instant, accurate responses by scanning your website. 3. Help Desk. An easy-to-use ticketing system for excellent customer support. Help Desk offers a clean and smooth way to resolve customer issues and improve customer happiness at the same time. Offers AI-infused features for enhanced support. The platform also includes efficient management tools to improve customer service operations. Affiliates can earn up to 22% recurring commission on subscription plans that range from $24 to $499 per month. The most successful program's affiliate marketer has already earned over $4,100,000. And the best part? Membership is free of charge. Affiliates benefit from last-click attribution, ensuring fair credit for conversions. A 120-day cookie duration. Members of the program get access to ready-to-use promo materials and the partner app where they can monitor their progress. 24/7 live chat support. LiveChat is one of the best affiliate programs in communications niche. I will leave in the description a link where you can learn more and join. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join LiveChat's affiliate program today and start earning today. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.